Hello, I'm Autumn. I'm going to be your nurse today.
Hello.
How are you feeling?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing well. Today I'm going to do an assessment of your neurological, muscular, and abdominal functions. Before I begin, I have a few questions. Can you give me your name and date of birth?
Yeah. Fred Cotton, 12/20/80.
Okay. And who's the president?
Donald Trump.
And where are you right now?
In my living room.
Okay. Oriented ×3, alert, sitting upright, comfortable, relaxed, breathing is effortless, skin is intact, no visible lesions, and appropriate for race. Before I start the abdominal assessment, I have just a couple of more questions. Do you have any discomfort in your abdomen, cramping?
No.
Okay. Have you noticed any dizziness or forgetting something that you normally wouldn't forget, or headaches?
No.
Okay. Any tenderness in your joints or your muscles?
No, nothing.
Okay. Great. I'm going to start with you just shifting and lying down on this pillow here.
Okay.
And I'm going to start just by inspecting, so I have to lift your shirt. Abdomen is rounded, smooth, no noticeable dressings, drainage, lesions, no striae noted, symmetrical bilaterally. I'm going to take a listen to your bowel sounds.
Okay.
I'm going to start in the right lower quadrant. Bowel sounds are active and healthy. Now I'm going to start by feeling lightly, and you let me know if you feel any sort of pain or discomfort.
Okay.
And now I'm going to palpate a little bit deeper and just let me know if you can feel any discomfort. Pain noticed. Go ahead and sit up for me.
Okay.
And I'm going to have you stand up and walk towards the wall, and then turn around and walk back towards me.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. You can have a seat. Gait is smooth, effortless, no stumbling or swaying noticed. I'm going to go ahead and have you read just the top portion of the badge there, the bolded black part.
It says Cotton.
Great. Selling would be 14 out of 14. I am going to be shining this pin light into your eye, so just look straight ahead, okay?
Sure.
Perla was noted in both eyes. Okay, now I'm going to have you follow my finger. Equal muscle movement in both eyes. Now, can you bite down for me, please?
Mm-hmm.
Great. And I'm going to put this cotton ball on your face and other parts of your body. So just let me know when you can feel it. Go ahead and shut your eyes.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
Great. Sensation noted. Can you go ahead and smile for me?
Sure.
Puff out your cheeks. Great. The facial expressions were symmetrical bilaterally. Patient can hear as noted by responding to questions and actions asked. Can you go ahead and resist the movement? I'm going to press down on your shoulders and you can resist, please. Great. Resist. Good job. Can you stick your tongue out, move it left to right, please? Tongue moves smoothly with no tremors. Can you go ahead and move your neck gently from side to side? Move your fingers. Great. And then I'm going to have you grip my fingers. Okay, harder. Tightly. Great. 5 out of 5 muscle strength with both hands. I'm going to pull on your forearms, and you're going to resist the movement. Pull. Great. Now push. Good. I'm going down to the calves. I'm going to pull, and you're going to resist. I'm going to push, and you'll resist. Going down to the feet, I'm going to pull, resist. I'm going to push, resist. Good job. Muscle strength was 5 out of 5 with full resistance when tested. That concludes what I have to do today. If you need anything, your call light's there. Before I leave, are you in any sort of pain?
Good, thank you.
Great. Thank you very much. For the case study, the labs, the bilirubin is elevated at 3.0 with a normal being 0.3 to 1.0. The albumin is low with a 2.0 where the normal would be 3.5 to 5. The ammonia is elevated at 140 where the normal would be 10 to 80. The stool, occult blood culture was negative. So I would say no to a colonoscopy because that was negative, and I would do the ERCP because that evaluates jaundice and bile and pancreatic function for obstruction. So I would go ahead and do that test based on the lab results that we got back.